Want to edit photos online without installing any software? So hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to edit any photo using a free online editor. So let's begin. Go to any web browser and open this website, this photopea.com. Once the interface is loaded, you don't need to install this software. It can run directly into your browser. Now to open your image, click here open from computer and select the image that you want to edit. You'll see here it appears on the canvas just like Photoshop. Now let's do basic editing. Let's say I want to crop out this image. To crop the image, on the left side you'll see here toolbar, different tools you can use. To crop the image, click on this crop tool or press C and select the image. When the selection is done, click on the tick mark to confirm and the image is cropped. Now again, if I want to remove the background from this image, just go to select and click here remove BG to remove the background, and it instantly remove the background from the image. Now when you are done with the editing of your image, now to save the file, go to file and click export as. You can see here there are many formats available to export the image to different formats. Select the formats accordingly as your needs. Saved, and my image is saved now. You can see here. So you can see here I have instantly edit the image and save into my computer without needing to install any software. So this is how you can edit your photo online for free without needing to install any application into your system.